Today we are making some rainbow roses. What makes these roses super spectacular is not only the different colors, but each petal is ombre'd together, which means I take my fondant and I take the color next to one another in the color wheel. In this case, it's pink and purple, and swirl them together to where you can't see the demarcation, only a beautiful ombre of purple turning into pink. Then I cut out individual petals, have a frame of some fondant already, and wrap them around in the rose pattern. For the center of the rose, I always like to shape it individually with one rose and then add the petals around it, keeping in mind those ombre patterns. So the pink is going to turn into orange, orange to yellow, yellow to green, green to blue, blue to purple, and back to that pink. Or you could do red if you prefer that. Another technique I discovered while doing this is taking those larger circles, cutting them in half, and then interlacing them with the next petal using a little dab of water to adhere the fondant to one another. You could definitely use gum paste for this or even modeling chocolate. I really love how fondant colors. Plus, I use a little CMC powder to help it stiffen up a little quicker. I also had fondant on hand, so that's why I used it. I'll fan out each petal a little bit, and then it's time to add it to a cake. I chose to do some white rosettes on this cake. I originally thought I was going to keep it in that naked cake style, but realized these rainbow roses needed a blank canvas to pop on. So I love adding extra texture with those piping tips in a bright white buttercream to give a little texture, but really make these roses the star of the show. I had enough to cascade down this cake, but I think in the future I'd love to do a tiered cake with these. I can't wait to see what you will create with this technique. Thank you for joining me, and let me know what else you'd love to see on our next tutorial. For more information, check out the description box, and if you found this helpful, please hit subscribe. We'd love to have you here. I really appreciate you spending a day in the kitchen with me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.